You know, I love this part of my garden because it's very geometric and it's organized around the central path. And you can see I filled the beds with a mixture of tulips. This side of the garden is dedicated to warm colored tulips. If you look on the other side, you'll see cool colored tulips in the ranges of pink and purple and so forth. And then there's this side, which is really screaming with hot colors. Everything from really bright citrus yellows to oranges to these bright red ones, which I think are just extraordinary. You see, when I choose my tulips and plant them in the fall, I try to select varieties that bloom early, mid, and late season. And if you look closely on the labeling, you'll see that, because some tulips are genetically bred to be kind of the first to bloom. Then you have the next wave, which are the mid-season bloomers, and then you have those late bloomers. And by mixing them all together, you can expand your tulip season to almost a month. Now, a couple of tips to remember: if you plant them in containers, go for the largest container that you can, because you can just get more soil mass and you can keep the soil moist longer. Tulips really like plenty of moisture. And the other thing is, make sure that you have a saucer under them that will hold water, that gives them that necessary moisture they need to perform and be beautiful just like this.